Hop, pasok. Ayan. Pasok muna tayo. Yan. Good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Alright. So, nandito tayo sa Marikina. Flood-free area po. Okay. So, ito meron tayong 1-car garage dito. Kahit anong klaseng sasakyan, kasya po. Okay. So, ito yung ating ground floor. So, pakita ko muna yung space for living area. Alright. So, punta tayo sa ating dining and kitchen area. Oops. Dito, magkakaroon po ng toilet and bath dito. So, common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Then, dito yung ating kitchen and dining area. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung space for kitchen and dining area. Punta tayo dito sa may likuran. Kung saan, nandito yung ating service area. And yung ating maid's quarter. Right? So, itong part na to. Yan. So, ito yung service area natin. Okay? Then, ito yung ating maid's quarter. May sariling toilet and bath. Yan. Pakita ko yung space for maid's quarter. So, decent size po siya. Para sa ating kasambahay. Okay? Yan. So, the lot area is 80 square meter. Yung floor area natin, around 130 square meter. Estimate ko lang. Mga nasa 130. Akit tayo second floor. Ay, kaya video ko muna. Dito muna tayo sa first 2 bedrooms. Okay, so ito yung first bedroom. Dito second floor. Ito yung space. Magkakaroon po yan ng built-in cabinet. Okay. Itong isa, meron ng built-in cabinet. Pakita ko. Ito yung second bedroom. Ayan. So, nakaporma na yung built-in cabinet niya. Proceed tayo sa ating master's bedroom. Ito, of course, toilet and bath. Para dyan sa 2 bedrooms. Ito yung ating master's bedroom. Okay? So, ayan. Nakaporma na rin yung cabinet. Of course, syempre, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath dito sa ating master's bedroom. Okay. Merong balcony. Yan. Then, sa harapan. Okay. So, yung harapan, hindi na magkakaroon ng mga bahay dyan sa harapan. Kasi, ayan, no? Okay. Ito yung space for master's bedroom. Alright. So, yung price, current price 7.5 million. Again, 7.5 million yung current price ngayon. Pero disclaimer lang, syempre, pwede pong magbago yan, okay? Lalo na, nasa pre-selling stage pa lang tayo, ongoing construction to. Pag natapos, maaring magtaas yung may-ari. Pero kung i-reserve nyo, syempre, mag-stick na tayo 7.5, okay? So, again, Marikina po, flood-free. If interested, message lang directly. My number is 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.